Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
They all have the nice, crumbly feel with the corn taste. It's almost like corn cake, only a little steamier. Then there are special ones like the sweet ones, that can taste like a strawberry corn cake, and the salty, spicy ones like Rajas, Oaxaqueñas, and Verde.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Eat your tamale with a fork and knife. Be sure to remove the wrapper entirely from tamales steamed in corn husks. While plantain leaves are edible, though they're not usually consumed with the tamales, corn husks aren't, and could cause choking or an upset stomach if swallowed.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Cook the tamales on high heat for 4.5 to 6 hours. Check the tamales after 4 hours. The tamale dough is done cooking when the corn husk wrappers easily pull away. If not, then continue cooking and checking every 45 minutes until the dough is cooked.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Tamales are a complete meal in a portable form. In most versions, tamales are made from a mixture of corn dough, masa, and filling, wrapped in a banana leaf or corn husk, and then steamed. The corn masa becomes firmer when steamed, and the tamale can be unwrapped and eaten on the go.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
But today, we are specifically talking about Mexican tamales, which feature a corn-based masa dough wrapped around a filling and steamed in a corn husk. They are traditionally filled with either chicken, pork, beef, cheese and/or beans.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Tamales are a traditional Mexican dish made with a corn-based dough mixture that is filled with various meats or beans and cheese. Tamales are wrapped and cooked in corn husks or banana leaves, but they are removed from the husks before eating.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Providing you are making tamales and you don't have corn husks, then here are some wrappers you can use as a substitute. You can use the fresh husks off sweet corn. You won't get the same unique flavor from the dried husks, but paper still works as a sufficient wrapper.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.